In this video, we are going to revise the chapter Application of Trigonometry. So, first point, angle of sight is a line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. So, angle of sight means whatever the line is drawn from the eye level to the object, okay, viewed by the observer. Then, the angle of elevation, simply we can say that when we raise our head for looking at the object, so when the object is viewed, then that angle is called angle of elevation when we raise our head to look at the object. The angle of depression means nothing but of an object view. As the case, we lower our head to look at the object. So we will look lower side, okay, to look at the object. So that angle is known as the angle of depression. So basically in this application of trigonometry, we are going to use the tan theta, the trigonometric ratios. Most frequently we will use this tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but we can using sine and cos, we can say it as sine theta divided by cos theta is nothing but it is equal to tan theta, or the reciprocal of cot theta is nothing but the tan theta. The another thing, the trigonometric identities using for tan theta, that is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So here in this application of trigonometry, we are talking about the right angle triangle. So if this is a right angle triangle ABC and right angle at B, then for angle theta, the opposite side is AB and the adjacent side, that is BC, and the hypotenuse side, that is AC. So how we can write the tan theta for this? For this right angle triangle ABC, which is equal to tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side, that is AB, divided by adjacent side, that is BC. Okay. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find the values of, if hypotenuse and adjacent side given, then we can find opposite side or any other two sides. Okay. I hope you understood these points. If you have any doubts, please put on comment section. Thank you for watching.